In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from KOT4X. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to sign into your account, and then you have two options. Once you are on your dashboard, you can either click the withdraw button over here in the middle of your screen, or you can go ahead and click the withdraw button here on the left. It's going to take you to the exact same page. Now, before you actually can withdraw, you will have to verify your account. So, assuming you're actually trying to withdraw, you likely already have a verified account. So after you have that, you want to go over here where it says withdraw and then withdraw type, and then here you simply have to basically select one of the withdrawal types from the list, and then you simply have to click on request withdrawal, and then basically it's going to happen and you've successfully withdrawn from the platform. Now it also says over here that all withdrawals can take several hours to complete, and you'll be updated about the progress of your request via email. Okay, so that's pretty much that. And then if you'd like to see your withdrawal history, you can go ahead and see your withdrawals from different methods and with different statuses, and that's pretty much that. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.